And I've learned to love me too. Never have I felt that I could be all that you see. It's like our hearts have intertwined into the perfect harmony. This is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love you. Because you love me. You love me. This is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love you. Because you love me. You love me. I found love in you, and no other love will do. Every moment that you smile chases all of the pain away. Forever and a while, my heart is where you'll stay. Put a smile upon my face. My life is not changed. Everything just falls in place. It's been a long time since I felt real happiness. So I thank you, baby, 'cause
Kaylee, and welcome to the wedding of Rebecca and Joseph. My name is Kate Mackey, and I'm legally registered to solemnise marriages according to the law. I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land on which we meet and celebrate today, the Yuggera and Turrbal people, and I pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging. On behalf of Rebecca and Joseph, I would like to thank all of you for being here today. They could not imagine such a special occasion without you all, and are so happy that you are here with them. They are thinking of those who could not be here today, and know they would love to be here to see Rebecca and Joseph be married. Today I will be sharing just a little of Rebecca and Joseph's love story, and I invite you to show them lots of love by cheering or adding a few awes anytime you like. And so please, will you join me now in a huge cheer for Rebecca and Joseph? So, just how did this gorgeous love story begin? So this is the only bit of audience participation that I'm going to ask for. How many of us here have ever set ourselves a New Year's resolution? Me, a few others. Well, I don't know what yours has been. Maybe it's to win lotto, to get super fit, or maybe to even meet the love of our lives. Well, I don't know if it was specifically wished for, but in January 2017, Rebecca and Joseph first met each other at work. Rebecca's first impressions of Joseph were that he was very humble and incredibly respectful. She also thought he was such a handsome man, and everything about him made her instantly fall in love with him. Joseph remembers thinking Rebecca was stunning, but he had thought at first she was maybe only 18, as she was still on her red P plates. So of course he was very happy when he found out that she was in fact 25. Now, after a very short time getting to know each other, plans were soon put in place for a first date, where they went to Little Singapore for dinner, followed by a movie. They both say it was a beautiful night, and they discovered very quickly that they loved spending time together and really enjoyed each other's company. In fact, it was only a short time later that Rebecca and Joseph moved in together. They knew it was early, but both agreed it was perfect timing for them, as they just knew they were destined to be together. Over the past 5 years, Rebecca and Joseph have shared some wonderful memories together. Not only did they continue to work together for another year after they started dating, but they've also discovered their favourite things to do in their day-to-day life. Perk's Kitchen, I'm told, is their must-go favourite cafe, and when relaxing at home, they love to sit back and watch some true crime documentaries. Watching Joseph graduate from the police academy stands out as a proud moment for Rebecca, as she knows how hard he worked to reach this goal. And both say that the recent arrival of their darling son, Charlie, has been the absolute highlight so far. And they can't wait for all the beautiful memories that they will share together as a family. Like all couples, they've come to love, or at least put up with, those little habits that to anyone other than a partner might seem annoying. Rebecca has somehow managed to accept the fact that whenever Joseph loads the washing machine, he never unrolls any of the socks. And Joseph says that whenever Rebecca gets into the zone cleaning, well, she later forgets where she's put all of Joseph's things, and so he then has to get his detective skills on to try and find everything again. I asked Rebecca and Joseph if they would share with me some things they love about each other and their hopes for the future together. Rebecca says that there are so many things she loves about Joseph, but the one thing that really stands out is that he loves her for exactly who she is. He makes her feel so loved, and she is so thankful for this each and every day. Joseph says he just loves Rebecca so much. They have the best relationship and are always there for each other. He says she is such a loving person, and he is so happy to be marrying her today. As I've already shared, Rebecca and Joseph both felt very early on that they had found their person in each other. And so I'm sure it comes as no surprise to all of you that we have ended up here today with them about to be married, after Joseph proposed to Rebecca on a special holiday to Airlie Beach. In looking to their future, Rebecca and Joseph are looking forward to spending every day together as a family. They can't wait to one day own a family home, to expand their family and make many more memories together that they will cherish forever. Rebecca and Joseph, before you are joined in marriage, in my presence and in the presence of these witnesses, I'm to remind you of the formal and permanent nature of the relationship into which you are now about to enter. Marriage, according to law in Australia, is the union of two people to the exclusion of all others, voluntarily entered into for life. So with this understanding, I ask you, Joseph, do you promise to be there for Rebecca, celebrating with her in the good times, lifting her up in the not so good, and enjoying all that life has to offer as her friend, lover and husband, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
And Rebecca, do you promise to be there for Joseph, celebrating with him in the good times, lifting him up in the not so good, and enjoying all that life has to offer as his friend, lover and wife, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
So it is now time to say your vows.
Call upon the people here present to witness that I, Joseph Benjamin Parsons, take you, Rebecca Viola, to be lawfully wedded wife. My darling Rebecca, today you've made me the happiest man alive by becoming my wife. You truly are the love of my life, and I'm so thankful that you have entered my life. From the day I first saw you at work, I couldn't believe how beautiful you were, and I knew I had to introduce myself to you, hoping by some chance you would be interested in me, and for some reason beyond me you were. What ensued has been the best years of my life with you, filled with laughter, love and memories I'll cherish forever. From moving in together, holidaying together, and you giving me little Charlie to join us on all of our adventures. You have sacrificed a lot for me and helped me achieve my dream job, and you still never complain when I come home and bore you with work stories. You truly are my best friend and soulmate. We've experienced highs and lows over the years, but have always come out the other end stronger, and I want to make several promises to you today. I promise to always love you for who you are. I promise to always nurture your dreams and help you reach them. I promise to always share my whole heart with you and show you how deeply I care for you. I promise to always protect you, although, as I'm sure there's a fair few people who know you can handle yourself just fine. Lastly, I promise to always love you unconditionally with all of my heart for as long as I live. I love you, guys.
I call upon the people who are present to witness that I, Rebecca Wailola, take you, Joseph Benjamin Parsons, to be my lawful wedded husband. To my dearest husband, who would have thought would be standing here today after 5 amazing years of being together? I remember the first day I met you, you were one solid handsome guy. I couldn't fault that. Thank you for being the absolute best husband and father to me and Charlie, for always working hard to provide for our little family. We are so thankful for you and for all that you do for us both. Charlie is so lucky to have a daddy like you. Although I carried him for 7 months just for him to just look exactly like his father, I felt robbed. No, I'm kidding. I wouldn't change a thing. He is our perfect little pork bun. I promise to always be here for you, to support you and guide you with all the choices you make in life. I'm so proud with how far you've come in your career, and I can't wait to see what God has in store for you. I love doing life with you, and I want to thank you for coming into my life at the right time and at the right place. I can't wait to marry you and to spend the rest of our lives creating beautiful memories together as a family. I love you, my Opalma, today, tomorrow, and forever always.
Rebecca and Joseph will now be exchanging rings as a symbol of the promises that they have just made. So, Sire, may we please have the rings?
Rebecca, take this ring and wear it as a sign of my love and commitment.
Joseph, take this ring and wear it as a sign of my love and commitment.
Family and friends, and Rebecca and Joseph. Today, in front of all of you here, Rebecca and Joseph have shared their commitment to one another. And Rebecca and Joseph, of all the kisses you have shared so far, there will be none quite like the next one, as I'm thrilled to now declare you officially married, husband and wife. You may kiss. A little longer for the photographer, please. Just a couple of seconds. Okay, they need a cheer for more kissing inspiration. All right. I would come out from behind the tree and now like to ask the two witnesses, Mele and Samuel, to join us for the signing of the official paperwork. Everyone else, please just relax for a little moment. And during this time also, I believe some rose petals might be handed out to some of you up above the stairs. Hang on to them for when we do the exit.
So yeah, we're gonna part the wedding party if we can and do that way. Actually, wedding party aside from witnesses, if you want to pair up back over this way. Really? But that's mine. Dad! Dad! That's my
Into my arms,
It's just my mom now.
into my arms, into my